CVMA Round 4. Are you ready for an exciting weekend?
My footage is crazy because of the 2 crashes I had, but the 951 live footage is even crazier.
Good morning, race fans. Welcome to CVMA Round 4 of the series.
And you have a lot more racers on the grid. There's 19 racers in Formula Open, 18 racers in Amateur Super Sport, and 21 racers in Formula 40.
Wow. The first qualifying session went very well. Perfect temperature at 66 degrees Fahrenheit. I got a new personal best qualifying lap time.
I guess I got a good lap time. I see your smile.
You just qualified 5 seconds faster than everybody.
Oh wow, that's pretty good.
You qualified at a 48.9.
Okay.
And then a 48.7.
Okay.
So
48.
48!
I already beat my prediction.
You did! I told you!
I will be entering 6 races this weekend. The first race of the weekend is the Amateur Formula Open. I'm starting from first position. I wheelie during the launch, but still get the whole shot. I'm first into turn 1. I know this race won't be easy. Austin will continuously put the pressure on. I can't make any mistakes.
Interesting section right here because you've got... Yeah, you saw that, right?
Yeah.
He likes to keep it up in the air right there.
I lead the race after 1 lap, and then we had something tragic happen.
That is a 1:50.518 lap time.
Nice.
Oh no. What has happened? Is that Kavan House?
Oh,
what is that?
No.
Yes.
That's Kavan House.
Oh, no.
I feel really bad for Kavan. He just returned from an injury, and now his bike is toast.
Looking so good on the points, too. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we see him next season with a white plate on that bike.
Oh, for sure.
Wishes out, oh, there's a big wheelie. He knows where he's at on the track right now. Look at that. Oh, no, we've lost a rider.
This crash caused a red flag. Because the race was over halfway finished, it's considered complete. I finished in P1.
Man, sucks.
Oh, here's a great replay of that fantastic wheelie. Look at that.
Gotta love a showman, right? Gotta love it.
That was a wild race. A fire, another crash. But the best part, you got a new PR.
No way.
A 47.3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And all your laps were at 47.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. That's good.
Congratulations, sir.
Guess what I did for the first time ever that race?
What did you do? You dragged elbow too?
Dragged my elbow.
Wow!
Yeah.
Next is the Formula 40 race. I'm starting in 3rd position. This race goes really bad for me on the first lap. Number 710 jumps the start. He didn't wait for the light to go off. He received a 5-second penalty. I end up 4th into turn 1.
Got jammed up. Oh.
Oh, there goes Eugene. Oh, nice old steady. Making a pass.
Yeah, make his move early for sure. Get a good start. Gotta capitalize as fast as possible.
Yep.
Just a few turns later, I get impatient. I think about making an inside pass on number 710, but I cut the turn too early. I hit the curb, lose the front, and end up crashing at 100 miles per hour.
What the hell happened?
I hit the curb.
You hit the curb, so nobody came into you or anything. You on the straight. Well,
I
those
was
leathers
trying to
are.
pass him on the inside. I hit the curb and it made the bike go all crazy, and I tried to hold on, but What happened?
Wait, you might be able to put that back together to race.
That's exactly what happened. The paddock came together and we got my bike ready to ride before the next race.
You crashed. But
First time crashing at Chuckwalla.
thanks to your bunny and Victory Racing
Yeah.
and Lauren over here, who needs to be racing out here, and Corey Alexander's garage, Richie and Garage Ocho, your race was race 8, this is race 13, and you're back riding. You're gonna be able to ride again. That's amazing. All right, I love you, do good.
I'm starting this race from first position, but I have a terrible start. My clutch lever was bent during the crash. The bike definitely has a different feel to it because of the new handlebar and foot peg. As I start to launch, the bike loses power. I thought the bike stalled, but power came back as I stayed on the throttle. I'm 8th place into turn 1. There is a GSXR 1000 in front of me I'll need to pass for 7th place. I'll see if I can do it on the straight leading into turn 15. Got the pass. There is a BMW 1000RR in 6th place and an Aprilia RSV4 in 5th place. I get a good drive into turn 13 and I'm able to make 2 passes. Got the passes. Now we have another Ducati in front of us in 4th place. It takes me another lap to catch up to the leading 3. These guys are all fast, all on different bikes. Alex Francis is in 3rd place on the GSXR 1000. The start-finish straightaway is coming up. Maybe we can outrun that Gixxer. Got the pass. Now Austin Edgston is in front of me in 2nd position on the Yamaha R1. I'm able to get great drive on the back straightaway and pass Austin for 2nd position.
Oh, look at that drive.
Look at that. Oh,
look at that
that's
drive.
He's on the outside, but wow.
Wow, this is gonna be almost made it a 2-rider pass right there.
Hold it a second. Who's got to redraw now?
I get great drive exiting turn 12 and I'm able to get around my friend Dimitro on the BMW S1000RR. He is racing incredibly for his first time at Chuckwalla on his stock B-bike.
Good race, brother. Dimitro got P2, killing the game.
It is day 2 of round 4 of CVMA. Yesterday was crazy. There was a fist fight, a fire, and then you had your first crash on Chuckwalla Valley Raceway.
My first race of day 2 is the Amateur Supersport Open. I'm starting in 1st position. I get out to an early lead in this race and I'm able to maintain it throughout the race.
There we go. And
Yeah. Big start finish
the
rate
win.
for Eddie. Yep.
Yeah, but
Austin Edgston and Alex Francis right behind him for number 2, number 3.
First race down, huh?
Where's your big smile?
Well, you didn't do no PR lap times or anything. Yeah, 48s and 49s the whole race, you know.
This ends up being one of my best races yet, but number 710 jumps the start again. Gets another meatball flag. I get the whole shot. I lead for a few laps, and then Sahar Vic comes around me entering turn 11. Then I have some of the best racing I've ever had, leading to a new personal best lap time at Chuckwalla.
Sahara got me.
by the way.
Yeah, back and forth with Sahar.
You did get a PB in the last lap of 47.01.
Oh my God.
So close.
Wow.
You did good though. You did amazing.
Yeah, I need to.
Yeah.
You've helped me out for sure. This is the final race of the weekend, and it doesn't end well. My start was okay, but Dimitro had a great start. He gets the whole shot.
Oh, Dimitro got the good start.
Dimitro was racing great. He led a few laps, and then I was able to pass him in the back straight for first position. I lead another lap. I don't think I'm pushing the limit, but I'm about to go beyond the limit and crash. Everything seemed normal with my entry, but after watching the video, I start to get back on the throttle a little too soon with too much lean, and it causes me to low side. My weekend is officially over.
Was it not spicy enough for you today? You needed to like add some extra spice and
I don't know what happened. No idea.
John says it was slick back there and that's where Alex Francis went down.
Good. This is Alex Francis. He crashed in the same exact corner on the same race as me. There's something up with the track. It's not our fault.
That's true.
We're blaming the track.
All right, well, cheers, round 4. You have 4 first places and 2 crashes. So, you know,
Like Mark Marquez style, either win or crash trying.
yeah, I guess so. And you won a little money and the bike isn't horrible and you're okay. So I'm going to say that all in all, it was a great weekend.
Yeah, it was.
Round
4 of CVMA in the books. I'm still leading the. I'm sure I'm still leading the
Oh, you're still. I'm not worried about
Formula
that.
Open,
Yes. And
and
Dimitro just got first place.
Formula 40, and then Super Sport. I probably moved up another notch.
You did. So championship still in the bag, and all right, we'll see you guys next month at round 5, I guess.